Hey everyone, I'm Tyler Perry with Speedway Motors and EMI, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit on Tech Talk about the difference between these two sprint car wheel manufacturers, one being our friends at Weld Racing Wheels and the other at Sander Engineering. The difference between the two mainly is that this wheel is welded together instead of wheel bolts. There's a weld all the way around and a bead of silicone, and you'll see in the actual center of the wheel that all the holes are just for the wheel studs from the hub. There is no holes for wheel bolts. There are a lot bigger holes than you'll see in the Sander wheel for the wheel center bolts. The Sander one, you'll see all the wheel center bolts and then the holes for the studs on your hub. I get a lot of questions about that. I've even had people call that don't want to put air in a tire on a weld wheel because there's no wheel center bolts, or they'll state that the holes are too big for the wheel center bolts, and that's because they're for the studs. With weld wheels, if you have an older wheel that wasn't welded together, I believe they started doing that after they stopped with the 6-pin front hubs, you'll notice that on our website the wheel halves will be either 1/4 or 5/8 inch measurements for wheel halves. The inside half coming to a 5/8 measurement and the outside half coming to a 1/4 inch measurement. And the difference, because of that, they actually count the wheel center or the hub as part of their measurement. So for an 8-inch wide wheel, you'll have a 3 5/8 inch inner half and a 4 1/4 inch outer half, coming up to a little bit under 8 inches bead to bead. If you're buying a Sander crashed wheel half, you will notice that they come in whole number measurements. So if you needed an 8-inch wheel, it would be a 4-inch half and a 4-inch half. Hopefully after this discussion you guys learned a little bit about the differences between the Weld wheel and the Sander front wheel half. Thank you for watching Tech Talk.